Hey everyone! Want to speak English like a pro? Let's dive into today's fun conversation. Greetings and introductions. Hi, I am Anna. What's your name?
Hello, Anna. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada, and you?
I'm from Brazil. Let's be friends. Daily routines. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. How about you?
I wake up at 7. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I have bread and milk. You?
I eat rice. It's my favorite. At the supermarket.
Excuse me, how much is this milk?
It's $2. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. And where's the bread?
It's over there, near the snacks.
Thanks, you're very helpful.
Ordering food.
Hi, can I have a cheeseburger, please?
Sure, do you want fries with that?
Yes, and a cola too.
Okay, that's $5. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
At school. Do you like math class?
Not really, it's hard. What about you?
I like English. It's fun.
Cool. Who's your teacher?
Miss Emily. She's great. Hobbies and free time. What do you do on weekends?
I play soccer with friends. You?
I read books or watch movies.
Nice. What's your favorite movie?
I love Spider-Man. Talking about family. How many brothers do you have?
I have two. What about you?
I have one sister. Do they live with you?
Yes, we all live together.
That sounds fun. Weather. Is it sunny today?
Yes, it's really nice outside.
Great! Do you like sunny days?
Yeah, I love going out. You?
Me too. Let's go play. Shopping for clothes.
Can I try this shirt on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Thanks. Does it look good?
Yes, it's perfect on you.
I'll take it then.
At the park. Do you want to play soccer?
Yes, let's go. Do you have a ball?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Awesome, let's kick it around.
Okay, you start. Traveling.
Have you been to the beach?
Yes, last summer. It was fun. You?
Not yet. What did you do there?
I swam and built sand castles.
That sounds amazing.
At the doctor.
Hi, I have a headache.
Oh no! How long has it hurt?
Since yesterday, what should I do?
Take some rest and drink water.
Okay, thanks, doctor.
Making plans.
Are you free this Saturday?
Yes, I am. What do you want to do?
How about going to the mall?
Sounds good. What time?
Let's meet at 2 p.m.
Okay, see you again. At the movies. What movie do you want to watch?
How about the new superhero one?
Cool. Do we need popcorn?
How about the new superhero one?
Okay, I'll buy the tickets. Talking about pets.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, his name is Max. You?
I have a cat named Luna.
Cute. Does Luna play a lot?
Yes, she loves chasing toys.
At the restaurant.
Can we see the menu, please?
Sure, here it is. What do you like?
I'll have pizza. You?
I want pasta. Let's order.
Great. I'm so hungry.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where's the bus stop?
It's 2 streets down, turn left.
Thanks, is it far?
No, just 5 minutes. Safe trip.
Thank you so much.
Celebrating birthdays. What do you want for your birthday?
Maybe a new game, you?
I'd love a cake. Let's celebrate.
Yes, with balloons too.
Perfect. It's a party. Talking about sports. Do you like playing basketball?
Yes, it's my favorite, you?
I prefer swimming. Who's your team?
The Lakers, they're awesome.
Cool, let's watch a game. At the library.
Can I borrow this book?
Sure, let me check it out.
Thanks. Do you read a lot?
Yes, I love mysteries. You?
I like comics.
Using public transport.
What time does the train leave?
At PM, do you have a ticket?
Yes, here it is. Which platform?
Platform 2. Hurry, it's soon.
Thanks, let's go.
Talking about dreams.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A pilot. You?
I want to be a teacher. Why a pilot?
I love flying high.
That's so cool.
At the zoo. Which animal do you like best?
The pandas, they're so cute. You?
I love the lions. They're strong.
Let's go see them now.
Okay, lead the way. Buying gifts. What should I get for my mom?
How about flowers? They're nice.
Good idea. What color?
Pink, she love it.
Thanks, you're the best. Talking about music. Who's your favorite singer?
I love Taylor Swift. You?
I like BTS. What's your song?
Shake it off, it's fun.
Cool, let's listen together. At the beach.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, the water's so cool. You?
I love it. Want to race?
Sure, let's go to the waves.
Ready, set, swim.
Talking about friends. Who's your best friend?
It's Sarah. She's funny. You?
Mine's David. He's kind.
Cool. Do they go to our school?
Yes, let's hang out together. At the airport. Where's the check-in counter?
It's over there near gate 5.
Thanks. Do you have luggage?
Yes, one suitcase. You?
Me too. Let's go. Talking about food. What's your favorite dish?
I love fried chicken. You?
Pizza for me. Why chicken?
It's crispy and tasty.
Let's eat together sometime. At a party.
Do you want to dance?
Yes, the music's great. You?
Sure, let's hit the floor.
Look, they have snacks too.
Awesome, party time.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope these 5 powerful phrases help you speak English fluently and conquer those 30 everyday topics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tips to master English like a pro. See you in the next video.